Hello! Are these apples fresh today?
Yes, we got them this morning.
How much is 1 kilo, please?
It is $2 a kilo.
I want 2 kilos of apples.
Please put them in this bag.
Do you have any sweet bananas?
Yes, they are over here, sir.
Give me 5 yellow bananas, too.
Is that all for your kitchen?
No, I also need some oranges.
The oranges are on the table.
I will take 4 big oranges.
Are you ready to pay now?
Yes, I am completely ready now.
The total is $7, sir.
Can I pay you with cash?
Yes, we take cash and cards.
Here is a $10 bill.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Thank you for the good fruit.
Have a very nice day, sir.
I will come back next week.
We have new fruit every Monday.
That is very good to know.
See you again very soon, friend.
Goodbye. I am going home now.
Goodbye. Enjoy your fresh, sweet fruit.
The weather is very nice today.
Yes, it is a sunny day.
I love walking in the sun.
Have a safe walk home, sir.
Thanks. See you later, miss.
Take care. Bye-bye now.
Excuse me, I need a book.
What kind of book, sir?
I want a good history book.
It is in aisle number 4.
Is it on the top shelf?
No, it is on the bottom.
Can I check it out now?
I need your library card first.
Here is my blue library card.
Thank you. You are all done.
When is the book due back?
Bring it back next Friday morning.
I will read it very fast.
Enjoy your quiet reading today, sir.
Is the library open tomorrow, too?
Yes, we open at 9 o'clock.
Do you have any computer books?
Yes, they are in aisle 5.
I will look at them tomorrow.
We have many new books here.
I like this place very much.
It is a very quiet room.
I can study well right here.
Many students come here every day.
The chairs are very comfortable, too.
We try to keep it nice.
Thank you for your help, miss.
You are very welcome, sir.
I am going to sit down.
Have a good study time now.
See you at the front desk.
Goodbye. Let me know if more.
Hello, do you have funny movies?
Yes, they are right here, sir.
This one looks very good indeed.
That is a brand new movie.
How much is the rental fee?
It is $3 a day.
Can I keep it 2 days?
Yes, bring it back on Sunday.
I will watch it tonight, miss.
Do you want some hot popcorn?
No thanks, just the movie today.
Please scan your member card here.
The green light is on now.
Have fun watching it tonight, sir.
Do you sell cold drinks here?
Yes, the fridge is over there.
I will get a bottle water.
That is $1 extra, sir.
Here is the money for it.
Thank you very much, sir.
Do you have action movies too?
Yes, they are in aisle 2.
I will rent one next time.
We have a big collection here.
I love watching movies at home.
It is very relaxing after work.
Yes, my job is very busy.
Now you can relax tonight, sir.
Thank you for your fast service.
It is my pleasure to help.
Goodbye. Have a nice weekend night.
Goodbye, sir. See you next week.
Hi, I am looking for hat.
Do you want a sun hat?
Yes, the sun is very hot.
Try this black hat on, sir.
It is a little bit big.
We have a smaller size here.
This blue one fits very well.
The blue color looks great today.
How much is this blue hat?
It is $10 today, sir.
I will buy it right now.
I will put it in bag.
Here is my credit card, miss.
Thank you. Have a safe walk.
Do you sell sunglasses here too?
Yes, they are on that table.
These black ones look very cool.
They match your new blue hat.
How much are the sunglasses, please?
They are $5 this week.
I will take them as well.
I will add them to bill.
The total is $15 now.
Yes, that is the correct total.
Please tap your card right here.
The machine made a beep sound.
Thank you for your help today.
You are very welcome, kind sir.
Now I am ready for sun.
Enjoy your sunny day outside, sir.
Hello, one ticket to the city?
Do you want a return ticket?
Yes, I will come back later.
That is $4 total, sir.
When does the next bus come?
It arrives in 10 minutes sharp.
Which gate should I go to?
Go to gate number 2 over there.
Is the bus late today, miss?
No, it is perfectly on time.
Thank you for the quick ticket.
Have a very safe trip today.
Is the city very busy now?
Yes, it is always busy afternoon.
I have a meeting at 3.
You will arrive there early, sir.
That is very good to hear.
Do you travel to city often?
No, only for my work meetings.
The bus is very comfortable to ride.
Yes, I can read my paper inside.
Many people like the bus ride.
It is cheap and very fast.
Yes, it is a great service.
I see the bus coming now.
Great. Have your ticket ready, sir.
I have it in my hand.
Perfect. Enjoy your trip to city.
Thank you for your kind help.
Goodbye, sir. Have a safe day.
Hello, I want a small pet.
Hello. Do you like colorful birds, sir?
No, I like little yellow fish.
We have beautiful goldfish right here.
Are they very easy to feed?
Yes, feed them once every day.
I will take 2 small fish.
Do you need a glass tank?
Yes, give me a small tank.
Here is the fish food, too.
I will pay with my card.
Thank you. Enjoy your new pets.
Do they need a water filter?
Yes, it keeps the water clean.
Please give me a filter too.
I will put it in box.
How much is the total now?
It is $20 total, sir.
That is a very fair price.
Goldfish are very popular pets here.
My kids love watching fish swim.
They will be very happy today.
I will set up the tank.
Put the water in first, sir.
Okay, I will follow your advice.
Do you want any green plants?
No, just the blue rocks today.
Here is your card back, sir.
Thank you for your help, miss.
Goodbye. Have fun with your fish.
Hi, I am very thirsty today.
What can I get you, sir?
Can I have a cold juice?
We have apple and orange juice.
I want the cold orange juice.
Do you want ice in it?
Yes, put lots of ice, please.
That is $3, dear sir.
Here is the cash paper money.
Your orange juice is ready now.
It looks very fresh and cold.
Enjoy your cold drink today, sir.
Do you sell any snacks here?
Yes, we have fresh, hot cookies.
Are they chocolate chip cookies, miss?
Yes, they are warm and sweet.
Give me 2 large cookies, too.
That is $2 more, sir.
Here is a $5 bill.
Thank you. Here is your change.
I will sit at the table.
The table near window is free.
I love the music playing here.
It is a local jazz station.
It is very relaxing to hear.
We want our guests to happy.
I will come back tomorrow morning.
We open at 7 o'clock sharp.
Great. See you tomorrow early, miss.
Goodbye, sir. Have a wonderful lunch.
Hello. I need a new pen.
Do you want black or blue?
I need a black ink pen.
This box has 10 black pens.
How much is the box, please?
It is only $2 today.
That is a very good price.
Do you need writing paper too?
No, I have paper at home.
I will scan the pens now.
Here is my credit card, miss.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Wait, I need a red notebook.
Notebooks are in aisle number 3.
I see a small red one.
That notebook is $1, sir.
I will buy this notebook too.
I will scan it for you.
The total is $3 now.
Yes, please tap your card here.
The green light is flashing fast.
Your payment is completely done now.
Thank you for your help today.
You are very welcome, kind sir.
I need to write my report.
Good luck with your writing work.
Thanks. I am going home now.
Goodbye, sir. Have a safe walk.
Excuse me, do you have time?
Yes, it is 3 o'clock sharp.
Oh, good. I am not late.
Where are you going today, sir?
I have a train at 3:30.
The station is very close here.
Is it past the big park?
Yes, turn right at the corner.
Thank you for your clear help.
You have plenty of time, sir.
I will walk very slowly then.
Have a very good trip today.
Is the weather nice in city?
Yes, the sun is shining there.
I am glad to hear that.
Do you visit the city often?
No, only for my family visits.
Family visits are very nice always.
Yes, I miss my young brother.
Give him my best regards, sir.
Thank you. I am walking now.
Watch out for the heavy traffic.
I will be very careful, miss.
The train is always on time.
Good. I do not like delays.
Have a safe journey, dear sir.
Thanks again. Bye-bye for now.
Goodbye, sir. Have a wonderful afternoon.
Hello. I want a small snack.
We have fresh, hot apple pies.
Are they sweet and warm today?
Yes, we baked them just now.
Give me 2 large pieces, please.
Do you want cream on top?
No cream for me today, thanks.
That will be $4 total.
I have the exact cash here.
Thank you. Your food is ready.
They smell very delicious, miss. Wow.
Enjoy your sweet pie treat today.
Can I get a hot coffee?
Yes, we have fresh black coffee.
Put 1 sugar in the cup.
That is $2 more, sir.
Here is a $5 bill.
Thank you. Here is your change.
I will sit near the window.
The view of park is beautiful.
Yes, the green grass looks nice.
Many people sit there to read.
I will read my newspaper.
Have a very peaceful snack time.
Your cafe is very clean always.
Thank you for your kind words.
Do you sell chocolate chip cookies?
Yes, they are on that plate.
Are the cookies soft or hard?
They are very soft and fresh.
Give me 3 chocolate cookies too.
I will put them in bag.
Do you have fresh orange juice?
Yes, we have cold orange juice.
Is the orange juice sweet, miss?
Yes, it is fresh and sweet.
I want a large glass now.
Ame will bring it to table.
Do you have any potato chips?
Yes, we have salt and vinegar.
Give me 1 small bag chips.
That is $1 more, sir.
I am eating my pie now.
The apple pie is very hot.
The crust is very crunchy, miss.
Thank you. It is our recipe.
I love the snacks here today.
We make them fresh every morning.
This is a very good cafe.
We use high-quality food items.
The chocolate cookies taste amazing too.
Many kids buy those cookies daily.
I will buy a cake tomorrow.
We have big strawberry cakes then.
Put some sugar in juice too.
Okay, I will mix it well.